I know I want to get to this word citizen before I read because there's a whole lot of controversy about the word citizen. Even the National Grand Sheik and I have had conversations about citizen. And of course I won. But we've had some conversations about that word citizen because one man told Dred Scott that a man of African descent will never be a citizen. Islam, but it was also said in the Supreme Court decision in Dred Scott, it was the worst egregious decision ever made by the Supreme Court. But nobody don't talk about that part.
Islam.
You know, that it was not, there's no way you can take away citizenship to the true owners of the land. Because that's what citizen means, and we can look that up for those who haven't. A citizen means the natural inhabitant of the land.
Islam.
So when you start saying you are non-citizen, you say you don't inhabit the land.
Islam.
That means you have no rights. None. So how are you going to go around and say, well, the Constitution, the rights of the Constitution say that I'm indigenous and I don't have to pay taxes. You said you're a non-citizen. That means you need to pay taxes.
Islam.
Islam, if you're not a citizen, right, you need to. If you go around and say you're not a citizen, the Declaration of Human Rights don't apply to you.
Islam.
So when they violate your rights, your human rights, how can you put a claim against them if you're not a citizen?
Islam.
Under the International Religious Freedom Act, you got to be a citizen. And you have to belong to a nation with a culture and a religion all in one.
Islam. So
if the prophet didn't teach nationality, birthrights, citizenship, and religion, if he didn't teach that, how does that apply to you? Islam. So we're not corporate citizens. And that's the difference. And that's what we need to learn. You're not part of the corporation.
Islam.
And if you look up the word citizen in Black Law's dictionary, it tells you all about a citizen, then it goes down further and says corporate citizen.
Islam.
So when you read up a definition, which is the most important one when you read? The very first one. Thank you, Sister Kyra. The very first one.